E400DS, the versatile electrosurgical unit manufactured by Electrosurgical Union, is the machine designed on most advanced microprocessor based technology. Power delivered by this machine is based on programmed chip inside it, which sends the resistance offered by the tissue in contact with active electrode. This superb sensing technology assures optimum output power, which results into very less damages to the collateral tissues in the surgery. The electrosurgical unit E400DS is designed by keeping in mind the most important factor of best possible power outputs at economical prices compared to leading brands in the medical field. Design factor also includes commonly neglected points by other manufacturers like fluctuated input electrical voltages, weight, reusability and serviceability of the accessories, and low maintenance cost of the unit. All these points makes every equipment manufactured by Electrosurgical Union the most preferred brand in today's uncertain economical conditions. The electrosurgical generator E400DS is divided into two major outputs: monopolar output and bipolar output. Monopolar output has two modes: cut mode and coagulation mode. In cut mode, we have four different types of output: pure cut, blend 1, blend 2 and endo cut. Pure cut mode is a high frequency alternating current with optimum peak voltages and pure sinusoidal waveform, gives rapid cut effect without dragging of active electrode in different types of tissues. Pure cut mode has maximum power output of 400 watts. Second mode in cutting is blend 1. Again a high frequency current with little increased peak voltage and modulated sinusoidal waveform gives hemostasis effect with cutting. This helps in sealing of minute bleeders while cutting. Blend 1 has maximum power output of 250 watts. Third mode in cutting is blend 2. Same modulated sinusoidal waveform with maximum hemostasis effect with cutting. This helps in controlling major bleeding during cutting activities. Blend 2 has maximum power output of 200 watts. Last mode in cutting is endo cut, an alternating intervals of software control cutting useful in procedures like ERCP. Endo cut has maximum power output of 99% of 300 watts. Other mode in monopolar output is coagulation, normally known as coag. In coag, we have four different types of output: spray coag, forced coag, fulguration and desiccation. Spray coag, a modulated pulse waveform with highest peak voltage, enables surgeon to cover larger area of coagulation by sparking from longer distance without touching the tissues. This helps in speedy coagulation with less tissue necrosis and carbonization. Spray coag is always preferred by cancer and trauma surgeons. Spray coag has maximum output of 120 watts. Third mode in coag is fulguration, a non-contact coagulation effect with modulated sine waveform, assures fast coagulation of the tissues and can be used in all types of surgical procedures. Fulguration has maximum output of 150 watts. The last mode in coagulation is desiccation, pure sine waveform with lower peak voltages, assures coagulation at superficial levels by contact coagulation method. Desiccation is preferred by neuro, ENT and endoscopy surgeons. Desiccation has maximum output of 150 watts. The other type of output is bipolar output. In bipolar output, we have four modes: microbipolar, macrobipolar, bipolar cut, and autobipolar. First mode in bipolar is microbipolar, a pure sinusoidal waveform with low voltages, assures precise coagulation without damaging the adjacent tissues. Microbipolar is preferred by ENT, neuro, and ophthalmic surgeons. Microbipolar has maximum output of 80 watts. Second mode in bipolar is macrobipolar, a pure sinusoidal waveform with increased voltages, assures rapid coagulation, which is used in all types of surgical procedures. Macrobipolar has maximum output of 80 watts. Third mode in bipolar is bipolar cut. It gives constant cutting effect over all types of tissues. This output is designed for special instruments used in advanced endoscopic procedures. Bipolar cut has maximum output of 100 watts. Last mode in bipolar is auto mode. Automatic stoppage of bipolar output and audio sound once the coagulation is achieved is a specialty of auto bipolar mode. This mode assures coagulation without damaging peripheral tissues. Auto bipolar has maximum output of 100 watts. Electrosurgical generator E400DS is supplied with many standard accessories. First one is disposable monopolar hand switch. Monopolar hand switch helps to switch the cut and coag modes right from hand switch pencils. Yellow button on the pencil is for cut mode and blue button is for coag mode. It is attached to the unit at output jack written as hand switches. A reusable hand switch also can be used in this output jack. Second accessory is reusable monopolar chuck handle. This handle is autoclavable and is operated by foot switch. Four different types of electrodes, knife, ball, angled and needle electrodes are supplied with this handle. It is attached to the unit at output jack written as active. The third accessory is reusable patient plate or return plate. It is a stainless steel plate with smooth edges and is attached to the machine at the output jack patient plate. Fourth accessory is monopolar foot switch. It has two paddles. Yellow paddle is for cutting and blue paddle is for coagulation. Monopolar foot switch is attached to the machine at jack monopolar foot switch. Fifth accessory is bipolar foot switch. Blue paddle of this foot switch is for bipolar outputs. Bipolar foot switch is attached to the machine at jack bipolar foot switch. Sixth accessory is reusable bipolar forceps. Bipolar forceps along with its wire is autoclavable and is operated by foot switch. It is attached to the machine at output jack bipolar forceps. Now the electrosurgical unit is ready for surgery with all accessories attached to it. In monopolar mode, we can operate machine with hand switch pencil. When machine is operated in cut mode with yellow button on pencil, it cuts smoothly without dragging effect. We call it as a knife in butter effect. In spray coag mode with blue button on pencil, surgeon can spark an arc from a distance without touching the tissues. In monopolar mode, we can also use reusable chuck handle. This handle is operated by monopolar foot switch. Yellow pedal is for cut output and blue pedal is for coag output. It cuts like a knife in the butter and coagulates from a distance without touching the tissues.
8.
Bipolar forceps is used for bipolar coagulation and it is operated by bipolar foot switch. A white colored coagulation effect without charring is the specialty of our electrosurgical generator. One can notice there is no sparking in this mode. This proves machine's control and precision in delivery of the current. Isolated design of the machine is so safe that it does not give any shock or neuromuscular stimulation even after touching the live electrode. Even the return electrode, a patient plate, is also safe that it does not give any shock or neuromuscular stimulation even after touching in live condition.
4.
An artery forceps held in bare hands without gloves and touched with live electrode proves highest safety standards of our electrosurgical generator. A safety alarm is provided for patient plate. When patient plate is not attached to the machine, it alerts with red light and audio alarm, and it does not allow any output power from electrosurgical unit. Once the patient plate is attached to the machine, it shows green light and machine is ready for delivering the output. A special programming feature is provided with the machine. Power settings of any surgical procedure can be stored by pressing a particular number from program switch and is available at any time after recalling the same number. Total 99 power settings can be stored with the help of program switch. On the rear panel, input power connector and volume control knob is provided. Input power cord is detachable and is very easy to replace in faulty conditions. Volume control knob is provided to increase and decrease the volume of cut, cog and bipolar modes. Internal construction of electrosurgical unit is modular construction. In case of failure of any module, it can be replaced easily with single screwdriver. This makes repairing of the unit very easy. Electrosurgical unit E400DS, manufactured by Electrosurgical Union, is an excellent example for combination of modern technology of computerized programming and safety precautions for its use